Morning guys, it's another beautiful sunny day. I'm going to start work on the RV. Got some masking tape, got some paper, see if you can guess what I'm going to do. Right, there you go guys, got it all taped up, masking taped up, papered up, ready for painting. Paint hasn't turned up, hopefully it's going to turn up today sometime, but we're ready to paint the back. You can see it's all prepped up. Got myself some great frame sealant, external frame sealant. That is paintable over as well, so we've covered every nook and cranny you can possibly do. If you come around the side, you can see now I'm actually starting just to mask tape up around all the windows and work my way along this side, trying to keep out of the way of the sun more than anything else. Morning guys, good news is the paint's arrived, so what we're going to do is have a crack at this and see what happens. Typical weather. It looks like it's going to rain today, and it's been perfect all week, but the paint didn't turn up till yesterday, so let's crack on and see how far we can get. Right, this is a before guys. I'm going to just touch up a couple of things, and hopefully we'll come back to you in a little while and show you the after when the paint's on. There you go guys, give it a couple of coats of paint. Just the grey needs to be touched up because obviously there's a few chips and marks on there, but we will touch that up. But that's going to be the finished product for the oyster colour, I think it's called, but very similar to what it was on there before, but it's tied it up a treat. And we're going to touch around the windows as well with some black matte paint just to finish those off as well. Morning guys, one of the jobs I've got to do this week is take this side mirror off and paint it up grey. So what I'm going to do is just release all these nuts, take them off and rub it down and give it a prime, and then give it a coat of grey to match the one on the other side, because it looks like it sticks down like a sore thumb at the moment. So when I've done that, I'll come back to you guys. There you go, that's one mirror frame painted, completed. I haven't touched up the head of the screws yet because what I'm going to do is screw them in place and then touch it up with some paint afterwards. But I'm not going to tighten them up for now because this is going to come off again when we spray the cab, so it's just going to go in place just in case John and Sam want to go out and they've got wing mirrors. So another small little job done. Morning guys. As you can see, we've finished the back off on the RV, and we've put one coat on the top, and today what I'm going to do is put one coat on the bottom but finish the top off with a final coat. And I think you can see there's a hell of a difference now. It's transforming the whole thing completely. And we've also, as we pan round or we'll go around the other side, we've also started doing the other side as well and got rid of all the stripes apart from the cab, which will probably be done in a couple of weeks. But I think you can see it is transforming the whole thing into a nice clean van. And I think I was talking to John regarding the stripes on there, and I have a tendency to agree with him. I think it looks good without the stripes. Be interested to see what you guys think.
I like it with the stripes.
Sam likes it with the stripes. So we're 1-1 at the moment, so let's see what happens from there. Okay guys, we can see this is the other side of the RV. You can see where I've been putting or patching up where some of the holes were on the van, but we're going to do down the bottom here today, get a coat on there, get another coat up where you can just about see where the stripes were, but the second coat will take that away completely. Let's get it prepped for the final coat and see where we go from there. Well, there you go, what a transformation. Top part's been done, that's this part up here. All the paper's come off. We've got to put another coat on the bottom, but it's had its first coat, but it's transformed the whole thing. I hope you can see the difference. But yeah, it looks rather good. Okay, this side's now been prepped for the second coat. I think we'll get round to doing that next week because we're a bit short on masking tape, and I think we're getting some of the weekend, so that should be finished off, and then it's working on the front, the bonnet and the doors, which has all been ready to go, but it's got to be taped up. It's looking good, Indiana, looking good.